Hi everyone, today we will be solving question number 2 from GATE 2019 chemistry paper. The question is, the incorrect statement about the interhalogen compound ICl3 is option number A, it exists as a dimer, option number B, geometry around the iodine is tetrahedral in solid state, option number C, it decomposes as ICl and Cl2 in gas phase, option number D, liquid ICl3 conducts electricity. ICl3 is an interhalogen compound which is synthesized by reacting iodine and chlorine. So, ICl3 exists as a dimer because ICl3 is not stable. Only in gaseous form we can see it as existing as ICl3, but both in liquid and solid state, ICl3 forms dimer like this and it exists as I2Cl6. So as I2Cl6 is a dimer and this is the structure of this. So here we can see that from 2Cl, 2Cl as are coordinated to iodine terminally and there are two bridging chlorine and this is having a planar structure. This is having a planar structure and each of the iodines are having a coordination number of 4 as they are coordinated to 4 chlorines. So this I2Cl6 is having square planar structure. If it existed as ICl3, then because of the presence of two lone pairs on iodine and three bond pairs, the geometry of this would have been trigonal, bipyramidal, and the shape of this would have been I 3Cl and two lone pairs here. So the shape would have been T shape. But in solid state, it is present as I2Cl6 and hence it is having a square planar structure and it exists as a dimer. So here, if we go to the given statement, option number A was it exists as dimer. So this statement is true and the geometry around the iodine is tetrahedral in solid state. So in solid state, ICl3 actually exists as I2Cl6 and it is having a square planar geometry. So this option is false. Now the next statement is it decomposes as ICl and Cl2 in gas phase. So this gaseous ICl3, this is not stable and it decomposes into iodine monochloride and chlorine gas. So chlorine gas is very stable and iodine monochloride is also stable, much stable in comparison to ICl3 gas. So this statement is also true that ICl3 in its gaseous form decomposes into ICl and Cl2. The next option which is given, the next statement, statement D is liquid ICl3 conducts electricity. So in liquid state, ICl3 exists as a dimer again, that is I2Cl6 and this I2Cl6, this can self-ionize it can self-ionize into ICl2 plus and ICl4 minus. So cation and anion are present. So because of this presence of the ions, this liquid I2Cl6 can conduct electricity. Conducts electricity. So going back to the question, that is, which among the following is an incorrect statement about the interhalogen compound ICl3? Is it exists as dimer? This is a correct statement. Geometry around the iodine is tetrahedral in solid state. This is incorrect. It decomposes as ICl and Cl2 in gas phase. This is again correct. And liquid ICl3 conducts electricity. This is also correct because I2Cl6 self-ionizes into ICl2 plus and ICl4 minus. So option number B is the correct answer for question number 2. To know more about this topic, please watch the lecture series on main group chemistry by Professor M.S. Balakrishna from Department of Chemistry, IIT Bombay. This is the GATE NPTEL link where you can find this video. Thank you.